Hi, I'm Kent Shuey with Quality Cut Design Remodel. We're a Twin Cities-based remodeling company focusing on middle to high-end remodeling projects. So for this particular project, I really worked closely with the homeowners right at the beginning of the project, kind of in the initial phase to determine possible budget and what the scope of work was really going to be done. And then it kind of went to the designer to pick out materials and layout, and then I would come back into the project again, putting a price to those actual materials and layouts. Then we would hand that over to the project manager for scheduling, and then the project would start. And then my role throughout the project would be just managing the project overall from a higher view, with the homeowners, that they're happy and things are going smoothly, and if there's any questions then I can help with. So really towards the end of the project, then there shouldn't be any issues or anything that we haven't resolved really during the process.
Hi, my name is Emily Puringer. I'm the Senior Designer for Quality Cut Design Remodel. As a designer, I help guide the clients to come up with a floor plan for the space and help them I work with a 3D program so they can easily see what it's going to look like. So we can pop different materials in there and colors and play with lighting. And so it just makes the process much easier for them just to see it come to life. These clients came to me really just wanting to brighten up this kitchen and update it. She is a big home chef, and so she also wanted really top-of-the-line appliances. The first time I saw the space, it was really pretty dark, and it was all the same tone of oak. The floor, the cabinets, and the beadboard ceiling was also a dark stained oak, so it was kind of enclosed feeling. And there was also a really bulky peninsula that came out from this wall here, and there was a big commercial range and a big hood that came down. So it really created this big division between the kitchen and the dining room and really the rest of the house. I right away knew I wanted to open that up and just create a better workflow. But also another thing was just blending the old with the new. This home is from 1909, and there's a lot of a mixture of woodworks throughout the home. So for me, it was a challenge to kind of blend the two and make sure the house blended seamlessly. So I did that by incorporating just the two tones with using the courtesan oak on the lower cabinets and then painted white cabinetry on the uppers and then on this whole half of the kitchen. And I just think it really opened it up, and it's much, much brighter.
I'm Nick Balcom. I'm the project manager. It is my job to oversee the daily operations. I communicate with the clients what's happening throughout the week, at the end of the week, what has happened and what's to come. For this particular project, I created a realistic schedule and stuck to it and made sure I oversee all of our subcontractors and our employees to ensure that the project runs smoothly. The project contained the area that it needed to be in. We plasticed off, made temporary walls, and tried to keep it as clean as possible so they could comfortably move into their new home.
We're so happy and honored that we actually received the Contractor of the Year award in the kitchen category from the National Association of the Remodeling Industry Minnesota chapter on this particular project. It really helps us set us apart for high industry standards on the kitchen remodeling or remodeling in general in the industry here in the Twin Cities.